bathed in the light. Softly we tread a timeless waltz, graceful steps, no flaws, no falls. A hand to hold, a glance, a sigh, the echoes dance, they never die. Gilded air, dreams are woven, hearts laid bare. Prayer stings a gentle stream, time stands still within this dream. A fleeting touch, a stolen glance, bound together in this dance. Golden whispers, hearts entwined in the palace, love defined. Golden whispers, softly stay forevermore in this bed. Neath the chandelier so bright, golden halls bathed in the light. Softly we tread a timeless waltz, graceful steps, no flaws, no falls. A hand to hold, a glance, a sigh, the echoes dance, they never die. Golden whispers, hearts entwined in the palace, love defined. Golden whispers, softly stay forevermore in this ballet. Velvet gowns and gilded air, dreams are woven, hearts laid bare. Prayer stings a gentle stream, time stands still within this dream. A fleeting in this dance. Golden whispers, hearts entwined in the palace, love defined. Golden whispers softly stay forevermore in this bed. Neath the chandelier so bright, golden halls bathe in the light. Softly we tread a timeless waltz, graceful steps, no flaws, no faults. A hand to hold, a glance, a sigh, the echoes dance, they never die. Golden whispers, hearts entwined in the palace, love defined. Golden whispers softly stay forevermore in this ballet. Velvet gowns and gilded air, dreams are woven, hearts laid bare. Prayer stings a gentle stream, time stands still within this dream. A fleeting touch, a